Assalamualaikum. This is Janatul Hasan Naeem. My student ID is 342156239. Now I am current student at Daffodil International University in Computer Science and Engineering. I passed my SSC 2018 in Mauna ML High School and I passed my HSC Bangladesh Navy College, Dhaka. We are 4 in family members, me, my father, my mother and my sister. My hobby is playing indoor and outdoor game. Every afternoon I play cricket, GAU Central Ground, and sometimes I play basketball, badminton and others game. I strongly passionate about data science. My future plan is I go to abroad and MSc in data science and serve my country in this field. Besides study, I am an entrepreneur. I have a food court which name is Juicy and I have a lot of plan about it. It's nearby YKSG 1 hall and I looking forward it. That's all about me. Everyone keep me in your prayers. Thank you. Assalamualaikum.